Here's interesting trending app called Ask AI Chat and Get Answers. As you can see, it's getting quite high in the top charts. It's just below Gmail and among like all these top apps. It's even overperformed Genie AI chatbot app recently. So yeah, let's just open it up, and I'm just curious to see why is that. So yeah, first, like OpenAI still doesn't have an original app in the App Store. So there are a bunch of like apps which are just using OpenAI API, and yeah, some people just like to use apps instead of going to Google Chrome browser. So yeah, that's what it is. And then here is just the easy app to use. It has a handy dark theme, and then you can just see all your history, all your previous prompts, which are available here. Then there are some suggestions. Then you can select different roles, like create a short essay on any topic. You can become a math teacher, translate to English teacher, science, chat, or just fun. So let's just a poem. So for example, we want to write a poem about trees. And this app seems to just using OpenAI API. It just takes some time, and then it just basically writes. So it's very similar to ChatGPT experience. So that's. So yeah, that's what you have here. And then you can just tap to share. Then you can share it as a PNG. Unfortunately, why as a PNG? If I just want to copy it, or then I can just copy the message. If I just tap and hold, I can just easily copy the message. And then I can just continue to chat with it. So why this app is getting more traction? Because in other apps, you instantly need to upgrade to continue chatting, or there is no chat, there is just one question. Or like if you want to add follow-up question, you need to upgrade or something like that. Here seems it's kind of, there is more like freemium option where you can just ask a lot of things literally for free. But then I guess still you will need to upgrade because someone needs to pay for API, obviously. So yeah, but like you can try math teacher, so it can. Let's see some examples. And this is like a role suggestion that you just ask this app to act as a math teacher. And then yeah, you just have it here. I don't know if this app has ChatGPT 3.5 or ChatGPT 4 model, like all the details, but this is one of the top apps right now. So, and then you can just see it just keeps typing. So yeah, that's the process, and as you can see, I still didn't upgrade. I wasn't asked to pay anything. So yeah, there you have it. I even didn't create an account. Hope that's helpful.